got the final round front. Ooh, didn't study, so you're really confused. Yeah, if you're famous, then you wouldn't take tests. But you're not, so we're here to help you. Affirmative two commands can be kind of fun, especially when we play our guitar. Vin Diesel has 10 marathons, 10 very adventurous ponies, did sail hazy seas. These both can help you. Mix them both together and you know you got affirmative two commands. Affirmative two commands, yeah. Tenair's command is 10. It means to have. You say that when you're telling to go. We know these verbs are a little weird, yeah. But it's cool cause we learned from Senorita G. In some ways you're just like all your friends. But if you know these verbs you'll go far. Vin Diesel has 10 vagabonds, 10 very adventurous ponies, did sail hazy seas. These both can help you. Mix them both together and you know you got affirmative two commands. You got affirmative two commands. Then it's common pony club. Command just here as you say please. The best part's that command to be whenever you say see. So clear to have, yeah, just say so. Hacer, to have, you said the command has, you know. Now you know the two commands. Who would have thought that a student like me would double as a Spanish star? Woo! Vin Diesel has 10 marathons, 10 very adventurous ponies, did sail hazy seas. These both can help you. Mix them both together cause you know you get to know the commands. Without an A on the test, you can't go anywhere. You get to know the commands. Mix them both together, oh yeah. It's very easy cause you know you got affirmative two commands.